Hi, welcome to Vivegam V+. Today we are going to see the topic concentration of solution in class 12 chemistry. Concentration of solution is nothing but the composition of the solution. So in the solution we know pretty well that there are two things. One is the solvent and another is the solute. So in the concentration of the solution, there are 7 classification. The first one is the weight by weight percentage, or we can say that mass by mass percentage. The second one is the volume by volume percentage. Third one is the weight by volume percentage and parts per million, molarity, molality, mole fractions. These are all the basic classification in the concentration of the solution. Now let us see the mass by mass percentage or weight by weight percentage. It has a formula that weight by weight percentage is equal to mass of the solute divided by the mass of the solution into 100 for percentage calculation. For example, we can say that 10% of glucose is 10% of glucose is nothing but, that is 10 gram of glucose is taken and it is dissolved in 90 gram of water to give you the 100 gram solution. Next, volume by volume percentage. Volume by volume percentage is equal to volume of soluted divided by volume of the solution into 100. For example, 10% of ethanol. What do you mean by 10% of ethanol? 10% of ethanol is nothing but 10 ml of ethanol is taken and it is dissolved in 90 ml of water. Mass by volume percentage, that is W by volume, W by V percentage. For example, 3% weight by volume sugar solution. How will you prepare 3% weight by volume sugar solution? That is 3 gram of sugar is taken and it is dissolved in 100 ml of water. That's all. This is the one of the example. Next one, problem C. A sugar solution is 10% weight by volume. Find the weight by volume. If the density of the solution is equal to 1.25 gram per ml, the density is given. Now we know that weight by volume percentage is equal to mass of the solute divided by the mass of the solution into 100. Density is given, therefore from that we can calculate the mass. Mass is nothing but density into volume. And 1.25 gram is given in the problem, that is density. Volume we know well, that 100 ml. If you substitute these values, we can easily get weight by weight values equal to 8%. So this is the final answer. Now the next concentration term is mole fraction. Here we have binary system, that is one is component A, another one is component B. So in this binary system, we have to calculate the mole fraction. Mole fraction is nothing but, that is denoted by the letter zeta. Zeta. So zeta A and zeta B we have to calculate. What is the formula for zeta A? That is zeta A is equal to Na divided by Na plus Nb. N is nothing but the number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute. So the first component A equal to Na and second component Nb is equal to Nb. Same manner, zeta B, that is mole fraction of B component, can be calculated by using the formula Nb divided by Na plus Nb. That is the total number of moles present in the binary system. Total number of moles. And Na is nothing but, we know that the number of moles is given by given mass divided by molar mass of the solute. Given mass of the solute divided by the molar mass of the solute. In the same manner, component B also, Nb is equal to given mass by molar mass of the solute. Now we can do one problem. So if you understand the problem, you can easily understand the concept also. First, calculate the mole fraction of sodium hydroxide and water in a solution containing 40 gram of sodium hydroxide in 54 gram of water. Okay. First of all, we should calculate the number of moles of sodium hydroxide. Number of moles of sodium hydroxide, we know the formula that given mass of sodium hydroxide divided by the molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Given mass of sodium hydroxide is given from the, you can take it from the problem, therefore 40 gram, and molar mass of sodium hydroxide is nothing but 40 gram per mole. So sodium hydroxide number of moles equal to 40 divided by 40 equal to 1. And in the same manner, number of moles of water is equal to 54 divided by 18. What is 18? Molar mass of water. 54 it is given in the problem. Therefore, we have 3 mole. Next, final step, mole fraction of NaOH is calculated by using the formula. Already we know the formula, that is number of moles of sodium hydroxide divided by number of moles of sodium hydroxide plus number of moles of water. If you substitute these values, we are having 0.25. And one more thing, mole fraction has no unit. Okay. Same manner, mole fraction of water can be calculated by using the formula, and we are having 0.75 unit. The important final thing is mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B equal to 1. If you add 0.25 and 0.75, we will be get. The final conclusion is that sum of the mole fraction of all component in a system is equal to unity. That is the conclusion. Whatever the number of component that may be, for example, in a component A, in a solution A, B, C, D is there, means sum of all the component is equal to 1. I hope you have understood. In the next video, we will discuss about the molarity concept.